Hi, it's Ms. Mackenzie, your district teacher librarian, and this week's Makerspace Grab and Go activity was making a geometric heart. And originally the plan I had for you all was to make this STEAM challenge geometric heart out of straws and pipe cleaners. And I will tell you, I attempted to begin to make one out of straws and pipe cleaners, and it was confusing and just took way too many supplies. So I'm simplifying. And this whole project is, it's a month of February. We're celebrating love and hearts and Valentine's Day. And we're also, this is kind of an offshoot from one of our last virtual field trips. We did a walking art tour in Old Town with the Florence Public Arts Committee. And the very last structure we stopped at was this amazing low poly open heart structure. And I even got to stick my camera inside so we could take an inside look of the structure. And there were a lot of questions. Students had a lot of questions like, how did the artist even come up with the idea? How was it designed? How is it so structurally sound? How is it standing upright? How is it put together? What kind of supplies is it made out of? Anyway, lots of really good questions about it. So I thought we would replicate making a geometric hearts, but we're just going to do it with pipe cleaner. We're going to do it pipe cleaner style. All right, so the challenge is going to be this. In your packet, everyone is going to get 5 pipe cleaners. And I am challenging you to make the best freestanding geometric heart that you can with 5 pipe cleaners. Okay, so this is not very fancy, but I'm thinking that one of my 5 pipe cleaners is going to have to be my base, so I can create the heart out of the additional ones and have it stand. Again, we're trying to go for a freestanding heart, just like the heart sculpture downtown. You can do this so many different ways, but I took my 4 remaining pipe cleaners and I made 4 hearts that I'm now gonna meld together. All right, I clumped all of my hearts together. I can't say that this is the most beautiful creation I've ever come up with, but here it is. So I have some hearts, I have a stand, and now can I get, this almost looks like a light bulb instead of hearts. Can I get it to stand? Freestanding. It just flopped over. So what do I need to do to make it stand? Probably adjust the base. All right, so I adjusted the base. It's kind of standing on its own. It looks nothing like a heart. Well, maybe from the side. I think it looks more like a light bulb. But Makerspace challenge accepted. Bam, done. Freestanding heart. Only when I perfectly position it. Hey, and I'll end by saying this. Makerspace projects, I mean, you hope you have fun, you hope you create something beautiful, you enjoy the experience of creation and making, and we celebrate the community of making and creating. And really, Makerspace projects include the 5 phases of the design process. We get really sophisticated if you think about it. The design process, Makerspace projects always follow the engineering design process as well. So we empathize, we define what we're going to do, we come up with creative ideas, then we experiment and test it out. And if things don't go as planned or we aren't satisfied with how they turned out, then we try again. All right, so thank you for joining our weekly Maker projects. Tune in next week.